everyone else. I'm just the one who sits beside you. I may not be as smart as humans, but my loyalty is truer. This little dog. When you're away, my hope's alive. Playing with you makes my spirit thrive. Ears perked up for your returning sound. My happy tale will spin us round. This little dog. If I could talk, or if I could speak, I'd tell you love words, gentle and meek. If I could talk, or if I could say, I'd warn you about those who lead you astray. If I could talk when you're mad at me, I'd say I'm sorry so earnestly. If only I could talk, my dear.